Hey guys, welcome back to another DIY video tutorial. Kanika here, and in this video I shall be sharing tutorial of this beautiful jute potli bag. So let's get started. Here I'm going to take this jute potli bag. I'm going to take the stencil. This is the Expressions Craft stencil, and I'm just going to place this, and all the materials I'll be showing in the video later on. And also, as I'll be using colors, so here I'm putting a cardboard inside just to make my cloth be safe. Like, I'm just securing my cloth so that the color don't come on both the sides. So here I'm just placing my stencil onto my jute potli bag, and to secure it I'll be using this masking tape so that when I'm using my colors the stencil doesn't move. So to color, I will be using this IMX metallic paint in the color Emerald Forest, and another color which I'll be using is this Poly Peacock. So I'm using my sponge brushes, and I'll just randomly start coloring with the Emerald Forest, and on some areas I'll cover it I'll just blend both the colors equally. So on some areas I'm using Emerald Forest, and on some areas I'll use the Poly Peacock color. And to use these metallic paints, there is a small brief which I'll give you, that make sure that you pre-wash your fabric, and also after you are done coloring, make sure that you let it get settled for at least 48 hours. And after 48 hours you can just turn your fabric, make sure that the wrong side is up, and then you can wash it, and trust me, the color will be permanent. Also, if you have any other fabric colors, you can use them as well. It is not compulsory to use these only, but if you have other fabric colors, I think they'll work equally well. But I had these in my stash, so I'm using these. Also, if you're enjoying this video, then do like, comment, and also if you're new, then do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well, because we do several other live sessions as well there. The link is mentioned in the description box. Also, the details of the material used are mentioned in the blog, so do follow us on blog, and the link of the blog is also mentioned in description box. Also, you can work with two similar kind of shades, that is, you can create a ombre effect, but here I used complementary shades. And also I'm making sure that I blend both the colors very well. Also make sure that you don't reapply a lot of color or apply a thick coat of layer, otherwise the color will just get settled and it might even make your stencil work look a little more complicated. Once you are done coloring, I'm just here removing the masking tape with the stencil, and here you can see how beautiful the color effect has come out to be. And I did this coloring same on both the sides. So here I wanted to create a little abstract effect on the top. So here I'm using my mini stencil. This is also from Expressions Craft, and you can use any stencil which you have in your stash. And here you can see I just created an abstract look, as I wanted the colors to pop out a little bit on the background. You can see I'm done coloring, so I'll just let it settle for 10 minutes, and then I'll remove this cardboard. And here you can see a lot of color has come on both the sides. So if you haven't put this, the color might have come to the other side, so this acted as a protective layer. Now I am going to embellish it, and this is the metal embellishment from my stash. And then I am just sticking this paper flower. This is also from Expressions Craft, and the leaf is also from Expressions Craft, from this only. And then I colored this leaf with the Emerald Forest color itself, and I am using the similar color bud which I got in the in one pack of the flower only. And then to embellish it more, I am using these cherry pollens in the shade pink and golden. also you can use any adhesive as per your choice. Here I thought my hot glue will work perfectly fine, so I did, and this is the final look. And also you can see this is like the beautiful embellishment I just added on the center of my stenciled work. And on this flower, metal flower, I'll just embellish it. I'm applying glossy accents, and then I'm applying this rainbow sparks glitter from Expressions Craft only, and I'm applying a lot of glitter. And after this gets dried, I'll just tap off the extra, and here you can see how beautiful this is looking. And to add more glitter, I'll add this on the metal embellishment as well. Sorry, I didn't realize my camera was out of focus, so just bear with me for a few seconds. The reason I love using glossy accents is it dries out clear with a gloss finish, so it acts as a glitter as well. After this, I'll just tap off the extra on the paper, and here you can see I just removed the extra glitter from these, and I'll just let this settle down for 48 hours. And this is how my jute potli bag looks. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Do comment your reviews on this tutorial, and also let me know what next you want to see on my channel. Till then, happy crafting!